The opening bell just rang on the biggest week of the summer, and the tape is showing its hand. The overnight relief bounce. Semiconductors up 6% before the open. Tesla bouncing. Everything green. Faded fast at the bell. The leveraged chip fund gave back most of its pop. Tesla slipped back toward 311, and even Nvidia surrendered its pre-market gain. Sellers are still working under this market ahead of a brutal two-day gauntlet. The Fed decides rates Wednesday. The same day Microsoft and Meta report. Then Thursday stacks GDP and inflation data on top of Apple and Amazon earnings. Two stocks bucked the fade. Apple quietly printed a record high as the market's safe haven from the AI spending debate, and Alphabet held a 2% gain, extending its breakout. The system holds its Nvidia position from Friday's setup, the one giant with no earnings in the gauntlet, and keeps Alphabet queued behind it. One clean position, one candidate in line, and no new risk into the wall. The position is on and the battle lines are drawn. The system holds 23 shares of Nvidia from Friday's washed-out setup at $207.90, and the stock opened almost exactly at the entry price after giving back its pre-market gain. Under the hood, the picture has strengthened. All three of the engine's trend gates now pass, meaning the machine's own math calls this a confirmed hourly uptrend. Above the surface, a genuine argument is raging. Alphabet opened as one of the morning's few real winners, up over 2% at 326, extending its breakout from the base it built after the Capex panic. And on a tape where almost everything else was fading, that relative strength stands out. CNBC's traders named it a top pick before the bell. Bank of America's buy the shock call stands. And Sundar Pichai keeps collecting statesman points, leading the OpenAI Models Coalition alongside Jensen Huang. Earns Wednesday, July 29th equals FOMC day. Double event risk inside any hold. Opened 392, plus 2.7% from Friday 381.8. With RSI 682.9, the bounce is fully chased. HIST plus 0.73, far above zero. Very slow gate fails. Lagged 384.96, less than 392.45. Nothing to do before the print. First look candidate after Wednesday if Capex commentary lands well. No contingency, date blocked. Earns Thursday, July 30th. AWS focus, plus GDP/PCE same day. Friday's deep coil, RSI 27, close below band. Resolved inside the weekend gap. RSI 6, now 58.9, close 235.3 back above the 234.30 band. The fire we couldn't take is gone. No rearm without a fresh flush. CNBC final trades named it today, but the date block rules. Notably absent, with Anthropic, from the open wait letter. First reinstatement candidate after Thursday's print. No contingency. The dead cat is already fading. Pre-market 316, 311.8 at the open. RSI 6, recrossed 50, 53.2. But there is no trigger. Close plus 8% above its lower band. No Mr. Arm. Price 312 versus very slow 365.6 blocks the trend arm for months. Daily downtrend intact. 425306 from July 1st. Waymo contrast robotaxi drip continues. $9,000 Austin parking fine story today is cosmetic. The premium leak is not. No contingency.